Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a product that's been getting a lot of attention and changing many people's lives, Quietum Plus. If you suffer from hearing problems or that annoying ringing in your ears, stick with me until the end because this video could change your life. Let's get started. Quietum Plus is a 100% natural supplement specially developed to improve auditory health. It promises not only to relieve ringing, but also to strengthen the auditory system as a whole. But does it really work? That's what we're going to find out. The big differentiator of Quietum Plus is its powerful and natural formula. It contains ingredients like mucuna pruriens, known for improving dopamine production, bringing well-being and enhancing brain functions. Maca root, a superfood that helps balance hormones and boost energy. Ginger, with anti-inflammatory properties that improve blood circulation, essential for auditory health. Dong quai, used in traditional Chinese medicine, it improves circulation and helps nourish the blood. And many other components that together form a true formula for auditory health. But how does this supplement work in our bodies? Simple. It improves blood circulation in the ear region, strengthens auditory nerves, and protects against damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. In other words, it treats the root of the problem, not just the symptoms. And it's not just me saying this. Numerous user testimonials confirm Quietum Plus's effectiveness. People report significant improvement in auditory clarity, drastic reduction, or even total elimination of ringing, and an overall sense of well-being. And the most incredible part is that these results start appearing within the first few weeks of use. If you suffer from constant ringing, hearing loss, or just want to improve your auditory health, Quietum Plus could be perfect for you. But be careful. Pregnant women, nursing mothers, or people with pre-existing medical conditions should consult a doctor before starting to use the supplement. The recommendation is to take 2 capsules a day, always with plenty of water to maximize nutrient absorption. And remember, consistency is key. To achieve long-lasting results, it's important to use the product correctly every day. Many auditory health professionals highlight the importance of good nutrition in maintaining proper ear function. And that's exactly what Quietum Plus offers. A combination of essential nutrients that care not only for hearing, but also for brain health and overall well-being. Want to try Quietum Plus safely and still get a special discount? Then click the link in the description and make your purchase directly from the official website. This way, you avoid counterfeits and take advantage of exclusive offers. So, did you like this video? If you want to improve your auditory health and say goodbye to ringing once and for all, don't miss this opportunity. Click the link in the description. Get your Quietum Plus and start this transformation today. If this content helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video, everyone. Bye.